Hi, everybody. It's Mr. D at In the Middle with Mr. D1@blogspot.com. So, one of the mistakes I made early in my teaching career was not recognizing the importance of building parent relationships and parent contact when it relates to behavior issues, especially. I could not have built my choral program without the support of parents. It has been critical for my career. And in student behavior, I always would work with the students. I would reward behavior, recognize publicly their behavior, correct them in private, but I would do it over and over and over again instead of reaching out to the parents, because once you do that, you really lose the relationship with the child because the child thinks they can just do what they want and you're never going to do anything. So 2 times tops, and then you go to the parent. And when you go to the parent, you can do email or phone call depending on the situation. Sometimes phone call is the only way if it's a really delicate one. Start with something positive about the kid. Ask how the kid is doing in other classes so that you can, hear what else is going on before you launch into what's really been bugging you. And when you do launch into what's bugging you, make sure you do it in as non-judgmental a way as possible, just stating the facts, going down the list. Johnny turns around in his seat. Yesterday he turned around 3 times, or whatever it is. Just be very specific. We try not to say things like Johnny gave me attitude, because that really doesn't usually work. What we have to say is, the body language that we saw that indicated the attitude that we saw. That way we're just giving facts that are non-judgmental, and then we ask the parent for help. So that parent relationship, once you establish that with them, is just really key, because if you wait too long, the child has already talked about you to the parent, and then they've got more power, of course, than you would if you start early. 2 times in, after you've talked to the child and tried to work with the child to improve their behavior, and then get with those parents so that you can correct that behavior early. I hope that helps. Have a great day.